Hi, my Squiggly Doodlers. Today we're going to start with an owl and we're going to write who loves you and give it as a gift. It could be for Mother's Day, but it could also be just a fun card that you want to give to somebody that you love. A really fun owl today. I'm going to use a Sharpie and I have just a plain piece of paper. If you do not want to leave marks on the table behind you, double your paper. Or you don't have to use Sharpie. You can use anything you'd like. So the very first thing we're going to do with our owl is draw the top of our owl's head. And this owl has just a curved line. So start at the top, go in a little bit and come back out. From here, you're going to draw a curved line going in, and on this side, a curved line going in. And we're going to leave it just like that. The eyes are going to fill up this space, but I decided I'm going to make some fun eyes. This is going to be a really fun, funky owl. So the very first thing I'm going to do is draw a little circle there, and then I'm going to do another circle inside, and then I'm going to make a flower. So this one is going to go out and up, and then I'm just making almost like big U shapes, and I think I'll do one more there. And then from here, we'll just do some lines, go in different directions. So that's one of our owl's eyes. The next one, I'm going to do another circle there, and we're going to outline that. And then we are going to do just a really big fun circle going all the way around. And I think I'm going to make a pattern like this. That can be fun to color. And then right in the middle of the two eyes, I'm going to draw a fun rectangle nose going down. And now we just need to draw our wings and our body. So the first part of our wing is actually in towards the owl. And what that's going to do is it's going to just be a line going in, like a big triangle, curve it in, and another like this. And then you're going to just curve it around. And then the next part of our wing is going to be tucked around on his side. So we're just going to draw a curved line going in and then make another curved line to show his wing is tucked over. And then right here we'll just draw the bottom of our owl coming up, just like that. And then we'll just draw 3 little squiggle doodle shapes to make his feet. All right, now let's decorate our owl. I think here I'm gonna do polka dots. And I'm just gonna make some circles. I'll make a circle halfway off, another one halfway off, maybe up there. And I will follow that pattern here on its wing, like that. And then I think on his tummy, I'm gonna draw a heart. And I go, I make a point, I go up and down, and then come back up on that side and do the same thing. And then here, I'll make a little mark where light is hitting. And same thing in our owl's eyes, and that inner circle, we'll draw 2 little dots and color in around. That is our fun owl. And then here, I'm gonna write who, and if you need help with someone else to help you write, ask someone. And it goes who, and then loves you. And you could make your font however you want. Your writing could be anywhere. I think I'm even gonna do one more who at the very top. So it's who loves you. Now let's go ahead and color this fun owl. I definitely want to color my heart with a dark marker. so it really shows and stands out. And then I think I'm also gonna color my polka dots red too. This would be a really fun Valentine's card too, just to keep in mind for your next Valentine's Day, but we still have lots of time before that comes. But I think I'm gonna do these circles red. And you can color your owl however you'd like. Any colors you want, just like that. And then I'm gonna color his feet down at the bottom with my orange Sharpie. They're kind of like W's, is how I do my owl's feet. But you could do any kind of owl's feet you want. These are just so easy and fun. And you definitely can tell by looking at the owl that that's its feet. I'm also gonna go ahead and use my orange Sharpie for the owl's nose. I think today I'm gonna do a mixture of Sharpie and crayon. So here I'm gonna outline these swirls in purple, and then I will color it purple. And I think I'm gonna do this flower pink. So I'll just make these marks here pink. And that way it'll just be extra fun like that. And then I'm gonna color this inside pink. And I will color this inside purple. It's a really dark purple, but it's really pretty. And now I'm just gonna color with regular crayon. And there is my fun owl picture. And it says, who loves you? And then you can color the background however you'd like. I hope you had fun drawing the owl today, and remember to give it to somebody that you love. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe!
Squiggly Doodles!